Sezzle is an interesting buy now, pay later business that's growing significantly. This industry is one that's facing a lot of scrutiny from some market participants, and others like the phenomenal growth this industry offers. Other companies in this category I have rated as a buy and I find attractive, companies like Affirm and some others that participate in this industry as well. But in this video, I'm going to evaluate the latest developments and what's going on with Sezzle. So in their most recent conference call with Wall Street analysts, the company talked about and addressed this situation where they're facing scrutiny, where consumer advocates are saying, you're letting consumers borrow more to buy things that they can't afford to buy. And they're responding to that by saying, look, our products are helping consumers and how they are the responsible way to pay. They think they have stronger alignment with responsible spending than a credit card does, right? With the credit card, it's similar. You buy now and you pay later, but the credit card charges you very high interest rates, whereas Sezzle sometimes will let you, and other buy now, pay later companies will let you purchase without those restrictive interest rates. And in that way, these companies, including credit card companies, are kind of the oil that keeps the machine of the economy running smoothly. It reduces a lot of friction. A lot of times consumers are looking to buy something and they wouldn't buy it if they didn't have access to credit. Imagine how many people would buy a house if you couldn't get a mortgage. You would have to save up all the money to buy a house or a car. How many people would buy a car? How many cars would be sold if you couldn't borrow to buy a car? So all of these things, without credit, there would be significantly fewer purchases of these things, significantly fewer businesses, and fewer jobs available. So while I do agree that, buying now and paying later on an iPhone or an iPad might be, bordering irresponsibility in terms of financial purchase goes, but some people prefer that and some people want to buy that product before they save up enough to buy it. Click the link below to watch the full video.